quitting smoking is one of the most significant decisions you can make for your health. The journey begins with a strong commitment to yourself and your well-being. Visualize a life free from the chains of nicotine, where you breathe easier, feel more energetic, and embrace a healthier future. The first step in this transformative journey is setting a quit date. Choose a day, mark it on your calendar, and prepare yourself mentally. Rid your environment of smoking triggers like lighters, ashtrays, and cigarettes. Inform your friends and family about your decision, seeking their support and encouragement. Surround yourself with positivity and reminders of why you want to quit. Understanding your smoking habits is crucial. Identify the situations, emotions, or routines that prompt you to smoke, whether it's stress, boredom, or social gatherings. Recognizing these triggers helps you develop strategies to cope without cigarettes. Replace smoking with healthier alternatives such as chewing gum, taking a walk, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Nicotine withdrawal can be challenging, but there are numerous tools to aid your journey. Nicotine replacement therapies such as patches, gums, or lozenges can help ease withdrawal symptoms. Prescription medications may also be an option, so consult your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action for you. Support groups and counseling can provide a vital network of encouragement and advice. As you progress, celebrate each milestone. The first smoke-free day, week, and month are significant achievements. Use positive reinforcement to keep yourself motivated. Treat yourself to something special or indulge in a hobby you enjoy. Reflect on the immediate benefits you start experiencing. Improved taste and smell, increased energy, and better lung function. Adopting a healthier lifestyle goes hand in hand with quitting smoking. Take this opportunity to revamp your diet, incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated and avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can trigger cravings. Exercise becomes a powerful ally. Regular physical activity helps manage stress, control weight, and improve your mood. Mindfulness practices can support your new lifestyle. Engage in activities like yoga, meditation, or journaling to manage stress and maintain focus on your goals. These practices not only foster mental clarity but also help in overcoming the urge to smoke. Over time, you will notice a significant boost in your overall sense of well-being. Lastly, remind yourself that setbacks are part of the journey. If you slip up, don't be too hard on yourself. Reflect on what led to the lapse, recommit to your goal, and learn from the experience. Quitting smoking is a process, and with each attempt, you build resilience and determination. Embrace your new, healthier lifestyle with pride. Each day free from smoking is a victory, inching you closer to a longer, more vibrant life. Remember, you have the power to take control of your health and well-being. Start today and step into a tomorrow filled with boundless possibilities.